Doing something a little different today. Trying to get this old, what should be in the trash and should probably go back, record player going. Old Shellac 78 record. And I've got the motor going. We've stuck some paper in the head shell thing to keep it kind of aligned. Needle's falling out, but we're getting sound out. It's not good. I just thought I'd show you. Somebody might find it interesting. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Obviously, having a functioning record player might help.